So this isn't really new, but check out what Wifeysauce made for me like a couple weeks ago. Pretty sweet, right? I'm not even sure what it is, but it's sort of an abstract thing, paying homage to my channel. She's eventually gonna remove this little piece of paper. It's just a placeholder. She's gonna put like a nice Bitwit logo decal right there. Maybe we'll hang it in the new office. It's actually pretty large. Here's my hand for scale, although you guys don't really know how big my hand is, so. Wine glass for scale, paper towel for scale, tiny porcelain bird for scale, cat for scale. You get the idea. But anyway, today's gonna be very special because, are you serious? I'm missing parts. Come on, where the hell are you? Where the hell are you? You gotta be over here somewhere. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God you're here. Don't ever leave me again. So as I was saying, today's gonna be super special because my good friend Fractal Josh, who a lot of you already know as the beloved ginger and vice president of marketing for Fractal Design North America, has actually rented his craziest rental vehicle ever from the folks over at Van Dutch. It's a $700,000 yacht. And we're gonna be cruising on it today. Wifeysauce, are you coming?
Yeah.
All right, let me film your reaction really quick. Let me get. Oh, she's naked. Okay, never mind. So I'm gonna live out one of my wildest fantasies and do the one thing that I've always wanted to do on a luxury yacht: build a frickin' PC. To be specific, a Threadripper high-end gaming system. It's gonna be pretty sweet. And additionally, Fractal Josh has challenged me to a speed build. So from the time it takes us to leave the Newport Beach Harbor to the time we arrive at Catalina, about 45 minutes later, I have about that window to build a high-end gaming system. He's not gonna be building along with me. He's probably just gonna be cruising, chilling up on top of the deck, drinking champagne, being an asshole. So it's gonna be really interesting. I'm pretty sure I can do it, but the fact that we're on a yacht, it's moving, it might be choppy waters and stuff like that, I might need to phone in a little bit of help.
Hey guys, this is Austin.
Yeah, Austin, I know it's you. I'm calling you from my Austin Evans emergency hotline phone. Okay, look, I think I might have bit off more than I can chew, and I really need your help. You ready for this?
Absolutely not.
What?
I get seasick.
Here, take a C-band.
Oh boy! So are you excited?
I'm super excited. We're gonna build the out of this thing.
You think we really will though?
I think it's possible because we have about 45 minutes to an hour to get to Catalina. I've done builds in less time.
But not on a boat. It's gonna be pretty choppy. It's fairly windy today.
It is gonna be choppy, however, we do have two of us, and I feel like builds generally
But
go
I
a
think
lot
one
faster.
of us is gonna always have to hold the system so it doesn't come flying across the boat. I also assume like screws and any kind of small stuff is gonna just go flying immediately.
I did buy 2 screwdrivers on the way over here, but I don't know if they're magnetic tips. Our failure or success hinges on whether or not I bought screwdrivers with magnetic tips. That's what I'm thinking right now.
It's on a lot more than that.
Okay, maybe
There's
you're
a lot
right.
more things that are gonna go wrong.
I have to reanalyze a lot of things. All right, Josh, so let's be realistic. How long do you think it will take Austin and I to build this system on this boat?
How long? Well, I think you have like, what,
It's like-
25 or 30 minutes, so it better be that quick, because otherwise
What?
you're buying lunch.
Damn it, is that, okay, fine, but
They started now, but we're talking, so.
But if Austin and I do build it within the allotted time, then you're buying lunch, correct?
I will buy lunch for myself and you guys.
And it better not be McDonald's, you cheap ass bastard.
You can have whatever hors d'oeuvres you want. Maybe an appetizer, maybe some bread, some water, something like that.
Your word literally means nothing to me. So it's go time. It's pretty much go time. All right, dude, I think we're good. We got cooler, power supply, Ryzen Threadripper CPU, GTX 1080 Ti, Asus Strix. We got a Zenith Extreme X399 motherboard from Asus, and 32 gigs of Trident RGB DDR4 3200 and a 1TB OCC RD400. Where the hell's the case? Where the hell is the case? Dude, are you guys serious?
What?
Are you guys serious right now?
There's ice
Dude, we need
Hey,
this case for the build.
dehydration
Get
can
this.
be a problem on a boat.
Keeps things cool, all right?
All right. This is going to spill if I don't drink it now. So.
Oh my god!
Get the power supply, get the power supply.
Wait, power supply's behind you.
I got it. Let's
I'll
go.
work on the motherboard. Ryzen.
Alright, I'm gonna put this underneath us so
my
we don't lose it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm having an out-of-body experience right now. Ah! I'm levitating. I'm straight levitating.
Alright, come on,
We got
we got this.
Oh my god. Okay, CPU's out.
Dude, how are we gonna get this like actually screwed in?
I have screwdrivers. Screwdrivers somewhere. Oh my Jesus! That's the front panel. That's the front
wrong panel. Okay. I need a screwdriver. I'll be right back. Ah! I'm gonna die. We're all gonna die. Where's the screwdriver? Ah! Ah!
Hold on to the case. Hold on to the case.
You have a screwdriver now?
Hold on.
I got the case. I got the case.
I got the screw.
Oh! Oh my Jesus! Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no.
Ow. We're destroying
Yeah,
this.
we're putting the blanket down. We don't want to damage the $700,000 yacht.
You guys are not even at top speed yet.
Dude,
I know.
do not go any faster.
Do not go any faster.
Go faster?
No! No!
No!
This is not funny! Mommy! Mommy!
Come on, let's do this.
Okay, we got this. All right, here. One screw. One screw at a time.
Got it. Oh, dude, I'm like
Oh my
bleeding. I'm
Jesus.
bleeding right now.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. You hand me these screws. Here, take these screws. Give me that. All right, take this.
Yeah.
Oh, the case.
This is the hardest build ever.
Here we go.
Can we just do 2 screws? That's gonna be fine, right?
Yep. Other one. I'm just gonna try not to stab you with the.
I'll move my finger a little bit.
All right. All right. That's good. That's good.
Okay.
All right.
Oh
my God.
I almost just killed you with the case. All right.
Cables through. Feed it.
Is it thumb screws? Yes.
All right. Let's try to thumb screw it in. We're tightening the thumb screws of the power supply in.
We're good. Okay.
Okay. Oh my God. All right. I don't want to break your camera.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Oh my God.
Wait. Hold on. We can't do that.
Okay. No. We're gonna mount the CPU. So we are going to undo this. Open 3, 2, 1.
So the idea of one of us holding everything sounds
Yes,
about right now.
That is exactly how it should be. That's the only way this is gonna work. All right. Get rid of that.
so
CPU.
Be careful.
Yes, of course.
Just so you guys know, you're getting a time penalty because at this speed it'll take us an hour and a half.
Oh, are you serious?
So how about this? You guys got 10 minutes at this speed.
No.
10 minutes?
10 minutes.
No, that is bull. So I need this needs to go
Yeah,
on the rails. Clicks into place. Down like so. Down with that. And we're doing close 1, 2, 3.
This might be the only time that this actual socket makes sense when you're putting it together on a boat. If we have a 10-minute sort of time penalty at this speed, we gotta get as much in as possible because once they speed up, we can't do anything.
I know.
really.
I understand. Okay. You handle one bank. We'll handle the other. Make sure that it's
Yeah. Here, let me hold this. Let me hold it.
Oh
You're
my God,
dripping
my
sweat into the motherboard right now.
Oh my God, this is so difficult. Yeah, we each get a side. We each get a side
ready?
of the
Ready?
Down.
There you are.
Pressure.
Okay.
Another one. Ready?
Yeah.
Down. We get
Okay,
switches.
we
for everything.
cannot lose our heads here. We cannot.
No, we cannot.
panic.
Here we go.
Also, why did you have to get such sharp RAM?
I know. I did not expect it to be like this.
We just saw a whale, but how's it going down there?
I hate you. Stop enjoying Mother Nature without us.
Do you have the screws for the SSD?
So you're gonna have to undo that.
Where are we gonna put these screws? Because we're definitely gonna lose them.
In your mouth.
Okay, got it.
You've got the cooler.
Uh-oh. I'm about to swallow some screws.
Don't swallow the screws, Austin. We will make you throw them up, which shouldn't be too difficult with a lot of buoyancy. Oh,
got
thank
it?
God we have pre-applied thermal paste because I forgot to bring some.
So the screw method was maybe a little messy.
We can deal with messy. Just has to be functional.
Ah, God, this screw though. It's so slippery from the saliva. Also, I'm slowly bleeding on this motherboard, by the way. SSD is in. Let me get this on before they decide to kill us again.
Yep.
Okay, that's in. We're good.
Mounting fans to the radiator. Of course, Josh would pick a 360 rad.
Wait, what? It's a 360?
Yep. So we have 3 fans to now screw on here.
3 minutes.
That way. 3 minutes? Wait, 3 minutes until
We die?
until it's full force again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Josh, you
All
already
right.
mentioned that I don't like you very much.
Yeah,
Yeah,
especially
yeah.
now. Hey, why aren't your coolers easier to work with?
Yeah. All right. Let's go. Let's go.
We need to mount the CPU cooler to the actual board.
Oh. Hey,
Tools.
for real, do not speed up right now. We will die.
We're in. The CPU will die. More importantly. So we're actually going to need the adapter bracket, which is right here. Why isn't it coming out? Ah! Here. So it looks like boom, boom. All right, so you get those two. I'll get these two.
Got it.
Okay, I'm trying to be helpful here. So, I mean, you still got like, we'll do a minute 53. So it's just gonna take 2 hours.
Okay.
And Heather and I don't have enough rosé for that much time, so it's kind of a problem.
Suck it.
I've seen videos, you built PCs before, right?
I've never been filled with so much murderous rage in my life. How many standoffs do we realistically need?
We only need like
4.
4. It's good. All right.
And
one more. Let's do
The choppiness down here is starting to catch up with me. Wait, I don't think we got the standoffs in, right?
Stand-ups aren't in, right?
No, I think they are. I just can't find the middle one.
Wait, is this motherboard not gonna fit?
Nothing is lining up at all right now. Hold on, wait. Let's double check.
This might be a form factor issue. Josh, does a Meshify C natively fit eATX boards?
No.
Are you serious right now? We need tape. We need to tape this thing in right now.
Do you have gap tape?
Let's just tape it. Let's tape
You
it.
have gap tape? Let's get gap
tape
tape.
I didn't say it had to be pretty.
Okay, it won't be pretty.
How much tape?
Graphics card.
Oh wait, the graphics card's not gonna fit. It's gonna be bowed out.
What if we did?
Because we don't have any tools to like modify anything.
Unless we could, you know what? We could maybe push it flat enough. Like we could damage the case, push it flat enough so that we force mount it. It could work. It could work because we don't need these rubber grommets.
All right.
Hold on. There's hardly any metal here.
Let's just do it. Let's destroy the case.
Destroy it. Destroy it. Okay, now go ahead and try to mount it.
So IO Shield looks good. This actually might not be crazy. I'm getting legitimately sick right now.
Me too.
This is not fun. So we're trying to creatively modify the case right now
By just
to fit the motherboard.
Yeah, we're smashing down the bowed out part of the case where the rubber grommets are to the right of the board, so that we can get it flush to actually fit an eATX
Wait,
board
hold
in
on,
here.
dude, you bent the whole thing in. Look, this whole thing is sloping down right now.
Hold on.
Where's the tape? This is all the tape we have?
Hold on. We might be able to make this work.
I got it. Go ahead.
Oh!
That's close.
Oh, it's close enough. It'll
on,
work.
wait,
It'll
wait,
work.
hold
It'll
the
work.
pen.
We're on the middle standoff.
Oh, we actually can get it
4
down?
screwdrivers.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it's down. It's down.
Go
We're
for it,
good.
go for it.
Where are the screws?
Oh,
here we
man.
go.
Oh, wait. hold on.
Remount.
There we go.
There you go.
So we creatively modified your case. There were some
Oh
design
my God.
deficiencies. So through sheer force, we bent the metal to our will.
It's not going.
So has either one of you reviewed this case before?
I have not.
No, actually, I have not reviewed this case, Josh. I did a live build. It was not a full review, so I do not take blame for anything that's going wrong right now. And I hate you. All right. Gotta remove the panel now. It's fine.
I'll try to hold it. Can you actually see where it's gonna line up? Because I cannot see anything on the side.
The
I did
Threadripper
not know
box.
what I was signing up for.
Neither did I. This is beyond my wildest expectations, in a bad way.
I'm like actually getting slightly dizzy right now.
Oh my god, this is like threading a needle. All right, no, a tiny bit higher. Oh, right there. It's threaded.
Yes.
Okay, we just do one more screw on the opposite end,
Yeah.
and we're good. All we need is the graphics card, right? And the wires.
Oh, the wiring. Oh my god.
We can do it. We're almost there. ATX 24 pin. So I'll pass this through for you. Oh.
It doesn't.
The motherboard is covering the grommet area, the cable routing holes, so we actually don't have anywhere to route this unless
Can we run it?
go through the bottom.
Yeah, the bottom.
The bottom.
Yeah.
There we go. Feed it through.
Yeah, got it. Okay, I just
good?
gotta get the fork. That's okay.
All right. Can you get the 8-pin?
I think so. I hate my life.
You got this, man.
It takes like 3 minutes to plug in each thing, because every time I get lined up,
Yeah.
we bounce and I completely lose the line. You got it? Oh,
That is in. Video card left, right?
Wait, are we actually gonna do this? Like, is this actually a thing that we're about to do right
It's
now?
actually gonna happen. Okay.
All right.
Oh my god, this isn't gonna fit.
No, what?
This isn't gonna fit at all.
Kyle!
You know what?
Nothing
This is fine.
works.
I know what to do. I'm just gonna remove one of these fans. I'm
Yes.
gonna remove the middle fan.
Amazing idea.
Maybe it's best if you do it on your side.
Yeah,
I'll hold
yeah.
it down.
Do you think this thing's actually gonna work? I feel like we've like dropped it so many times, like it's gone flying.
No,
and
you know
stuff.
what? Computer parts are surprisingly resilient. I think this is actually going to boot just fine. It's not going to be the prettiest to look at, but it will work. Mark my words.
Okay, 3 minutes deadlock before we do a hard turn.
3 minutes.
Hard turn? What do you mean hard turn?
All right, we got this, dude.
What does hard turn mean? There we go. There we go. Okay. It looks good in the back. Oh wait, it's slightly tilted. Oh dude, slightly tilted.
Slightly tilted.
The motherboard's not in straight.
Is that why?
I think so. Oh.
Wait, no.
That's it. That's it, right?
Not quite. Oh wait, there we go.
I think
there
it's-
we go. It's
all
in.
right,
It's in.
let's get screws before this thing comes flying.
Yeah. Put the screwdriver inside of the screw first.
Is it magnetic?
No, but
Okay.
you'll have to guide it in with your hands.
Got it.
One's all we need.
One's all we need. That's
Yep.
like the motto of this build.
Yep. We've got one more plug here on the graphics card. Is that
Holy
it?
shit.
Okay.
Do we have a system right now?
Yep.
Where's the side panel?
Hold on. All right. Easy does it. All right. And then we just need the thumb screws. Nope. There we go. Honey, where are the thumb screws? I don't know. Oh, wait. They're in my pocket. Maybe. Oh, 20 bucks. No. Screws. All right. Come on. Done. We're done.
Yes.
We're done. system complete! Suck it! Read 'em and weep!
Hey, did I tell you guys you have to boot it?
All right, so we've got the finished build here, hashtag finished build, quote unquote, finished build, with Fractal Josh, of course, to tell us exactly how we did.
But look at this.
What are your initial thoughts?
Look at this.
I mean, look at what we managed to accomplish.
And we had some major handicaps, right?
Yep.
So
Okay.
not only does the graphics card not fit with the radiator, but the motherboard is too big for the case. We did on-the-fly modifications to make sure that we could make this build happen.
Which I appreciate. Who chose the components for the build?
I did, because I knew deep down that I could make it work, that we could make it work.
We needed the extra challenge because we were so talented at PC building.
It
on
just would have
boats.
been unfair had
You know,
we
it really
chosen
was,
like
yeah.
really compatible components.
With that in mind, I mean, you guys did put the PC together.
Yep.
You installed the Celsius S36.
Yeah,
So
more or less.
It's,
I mean, it's
yeah,
basically
it's
it.
like an S30. What's the purpose of the fan that just appears to be laying on top of the flat version of the
So
PS3?
this was actually one of the included 120mm GP12s. We had to uninstall that, and because we were crunched for time and all of the up and down movements, we decided to just leave it
Innovate.
here. This is flexible, right? It's not
Yeah.
even mounted, so you can really position it however
Any way
you
you
want. You tailor it to whatever hotspots existing in your case. It's actually a very innovative idea that you guys should have honestly thought of first.
I mean, it's
but
okay. We'll take 5%.
You can have this one for free.
That marketing
Don't
speaks
you
for
think?
itself.
Well, I know I'm in marketing. Thank you, Austin. So the other thing is that you guys managed to build this at what, 30 knots? You see the way? Let me school you a bit here. If you're going to a certain speed and you have to go a certain distance, there's a time that you can predict. And if you slow down that speed, that time extends.
What?
Sure.
No.
Yeah.
But that actually doesn't work like
That
that.
doesn't
I think
sound-
if you Google it, there might be a Reddit forum.
That doesn't sound very scientific at all.
Let's just hypothesize that if the boat was slowed down repeatedly to allow extra time for, I wouldn't say an aptitude, but perhaps the internet might.
We finished this in 51 minutes.
Yeah.
Yes, and we would have gotten Catalina in 46 if we would have gone at the normal cruising speed.
Wait, all right, you know what? I think we can settle this right here. Why don't we like just press? Why don't we try to turn the system on? If LEDs come
Now,
on,
let me ask you something.
This,
It could do all that and still not post, correct?
this is true, which
No, that's
maybe
impossible, actually.
which maybe calls for a follow-up part 2 video.
How about this? As is, you try and power it on right now, and then if it powers on, you do a follow-up video where you benchmark this thing.
That sounds fair.
As is.
I think
As
I think
is,
for
as
once
is, no
we
additional
have
touches.
we have found common ground.
Circle of fists.
Circle of fists. All right. You have a screwdriver, by the way?
I do not.
Okay.
It's,
Because
that's-
Oh, so
That's
the
how
front
we're gonna
panel's
power
not
this up.
connected. You're gonna short the
you know,
panel.
front
down.
panels were so last week.
Oh, hold on.
All
Alright,
right.
I got the power supply on. Are we ready?
Have you ever
yeah,
sunk
flip
a
it on.
boat before?
Flip it on. All right, here we go.
Oh, I see.
See it. Oh.
I mean, no.
Okay.
Oh, we've got RAM.
We've got RAM. We've got CPU. We've got motherboards, LEDs.
One fan is spinning.
Fans are optional. Fans are totally optional.
So what do we consider this? Do we consider this a half boot then?
No, I think this
we
is a
have
full
full
boot.
RGB.
So you bothered to plug them all in and mount them for the purpose of them now spinning.
Yeah, aesthetics are very important. But I mean, for the most part, it seems like we can actually go about testing this. I feel like this is a postable system that even if the case... All right, here's the thing. Do you want to do the follow-up with the case fans not spinning since they're not spinning now?
I
and just see how it
want
goes?
to do it as you built it.
As we built it.
As
Okay.
you built it.
All right, so
if
no
it-
case
if it-
fans.
If it cooks itself and has heat stroke halfway through Unigine,
All right.
I want to see that.
To be fair, as we built it also
Yeah.
means that we are not including any sort of overclocking involved,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
It's as we built it.
I
so
don't
that's
even
stock
think there's
settings.
clocking involved right now. So yeah. I
Well,
would
that's
say
just
there's
something
no
that we'll
overclocking.
have to follow up with in a future video coming soon. Stay tuned.
To be continued.
TBC.
The motherboard almost just fell out.
Don't say that on camera.